Okay, so I have a service call on this condo heat pump heating and cooling unit. Customer called and said the air condition is not working. So here's how it looks like. So I'm just going to show you the thermostat. So here's the thermostat. It said 27 room temperature. So we're going to dive into it and then we'll carry you along. Thank you. Okay, so I like to take off this screws here. There are screws here, kind of trim here a little bit, and to be able to pull it out. But before I do that, I want to turn off the unit, and then I'll gonna bring it back on and see if that will bring my compressor on. Okay, so I still have not gotten my compressor kicking. So on this unit, I have two control boards. So I'm gonna see what's going on here. So I want to measure and see if I have the voltage coming in. You can see my water line is open. And you see here, so I don't have okay, so here I have my CC contact here. See what I got? So I got 22 volts. So that means I'm gonna check if I have 24 volts coming to this. Hold on. See if I have my compressor terminal is closed for my compressor to kick in. So I'm gonna open this electrical plate. I'm gonna open and see if I want to see what's going on there. So okay, so I took off this cover plate to the compressor area where you have there's a contactor in here. Here's my contactor, and here's my thermostat, and some other cooling sensors and control sensors. So in this place here, there is here I have the regulator here, okay, which is water kind of an actuator. So in the actuator there is a switch in there, okay. So the switch is not making. It is the switch that sends power to the low voltage of this contactor, and then when power comes to this contactor, the contactor will energize, and then the compressor will come on. So right now the compressor has not come on, so I'm waiting for the call for cooling so I could be able to energize the switch and see if that switch is the problem. So if the switch is the problem, usually it means we have to change this actuator. So in a bit we'll see what's going on here. Okay, so but please make sure when you are working on this equipment, be careful. This is it's a heat pump, and it's a water cool heat pump. So water cool heat pump in a condo unit. So you have to be careful. You don't want your water valve to pop up and open up, so you don't want water flooding the house. So you have to be very careful. Okay, so I'm going to keep you going and I will let you know. Okay, so I will waiting for the time for the thermostat to call for cooling. I'm just going to show you the unit information here. So here is my unit. This is made by, not turn on the light so you can see properly. This is made by Willem Company, and you can see the unit information. hope you're able to see properly. So it's a heat pump by Wayland. Okay, so all right. So there's a coil for cooling. We're gonna see when the let's watch and see. You can hear my blower motor kicking, and you can see my actuator is moving. You can see my actuator is Condo. Yeah, the compressor did kick in. Let's see how long, but I'm not to leave it this way for long, because you want the air to be sucked all in. So I'm gonna close it. I'm gonna look at my coil, see how much I can get. Yeah, it's cooling to see at this point. Yeah, to this point. You can see all of this is all warming up. Okay. I'm just gonna close it, and then we'll see how long it's gonna run. Okay, I'll keep it posted. Okay, so after running it for almost 10 minutes, the compressor is going and the unit is working. But I'm going to recommend is an option if the client want to change that actuator. I think the actuator just stuck close, and I think it should be replaced. But if the client want to keep it, if that happened again, he might choose to want to replace it, because the actuator was stuck close at the switch. So this unit should be okay. So please subscribe to HVAC mechanical systems for heating, cooling, and ventilation. Again, this is a Condo heat pump for AC not working. Thanks for watching.